Why is my computer running slow?
A slow computer is a common problem. This can happen due to too many programs running, a full hard drive, background updates, or even malware. Sometimes old hardware or outdated software is the cause. By figuring out the main reason, you can choose the right steps to bring your computer back up to speed.
What quick steps can make a difference?
Start by closing unused programs and tabs. Too many open apps drain memory and slow things down. Restart your computer to clear temporary files. Remove any programs you don't use. These small actions can have an immediate, noticeable impact on performance, making your computer feel faster right away.
Is cleaning up files and programs helpful?
Yes, cleaning up can greatly improve speed. Empty your recycle bin and delete temporary files. Remove unused apps through your computer settings. Organizing your desktop and keeping fewer files on it helps as well. These steps free up disk space and allow your system to run more efficiently.
Should I check for viruses and updates?
Absolutely. Malware and outdated software can slow things down. Run a trusted antivirus scan to check for and remove threats. Make sure your operating system and apps are updated to the latest versions. Updates can fix performance bugs and security issues, giving your computer a healthy boost.
When should I consider advanced options?
If you've tried everything else, consider advanced tweaks. Upgrading your memory, RAM, or switching to a solid-state drive, SSD, can make a big difference, though these may require help. But for most users, the simple fixes we've covered can restore speed and improve everyday performance.